Hi, I'm David Dickman, Senior Product Manager for Design Tools at Sybase, and today I'd like to talk to you about better business intelligence. Fundamentally, what we're talking about is increasing the return on your investment in your BI environment, and we're going to focus on four main principles to do that: quality, integrity, reliability, and agility. So first, I have drawn on the whiteboard here a typical business intelligence environment. We have multiple different data sources where we're getting information from our operational systems. We're going to do some kind of transformation on that data to feed the business intelligence environment itself. So first we want to talk about quality. Quality is all about, do you trust your data? Can you make the right decisions based on the information you have available? So in order to do that, we need to ensure that we're getting the right information from the best quality sources. So let's say we're looking for customer details. We want customers in the warehouse. Now we're storing customer information pretty much everywhere else. So we have customer information in our HR database, we have customer information in our sales database, in our marketing database. The question is, what is the best quality? The folks that maintain all these operational systems will be using modeling and metadata to define and describe the contents of those sources. With that, they'll be collecting some quality information that we'll be able to use to understand which elements have high quality and low quality data. What we may find is our best quality sources is the combination of perhaps the marketing database and the sales database. And we'll use those quality measures to ensure that what we populate into our data warehouse has the highest available quality. This will ensure the most accurate results to the analytics we'll perform on the warehouse. Now let's talk about integrity. When it comes to integrity, this is about having all the information you need to make the right decisions. So in this case, we have queries coming in. The business wants to know certain things. So let's take, for example, the business wants to know buying trends by gender. In order to do that, we must have gender information in our warehouse. So when we look at our customer data, we recognize we are not tracking gender information. So again, in order to satisfy the complete report the business requires, we need to go back and look in the sources and find out where we're storing that gender information. So let's say we discover it in one or two places. We'll find the best quality source, and again, we'll ensure that we feed that into the warehouse. And the net result here is ensuring that we have all the information we need to have a complete report based on the questions the business needs to ask. So now that we know we have the right information, and it's the right quality information, and it's complete enough to answer the business needs, let's talk about reliability. Now, what reliability is all about is the system available when you need it to be? So, reliability is about ensuring that the flow of information from the sources to the warehouse is constantly running and the warehouse is always available. So it's also being able to respond when failure occurs. What we're going to do is we're going to look at architecture and the idea of defining and describing everything together in a single place using modeling and metadata management to ensure that first we use architecture to improve the quality. A well-architected environment is a quality environment, but also about minimizing the points of failure to ensure the maximum uptime of the system. And when the failures occur, being able to rule out or rule in the places where that failure may occur from so we can respond quickly and effectively. So this will ensure that when the business needs their reports, they're available, they're accurate, and they're complete. But now let's talk about agility. So once we've achieved this vision where we have an available system that has everything the business needs are going to change. So this is about responding to those changes. So again, we have these queries coming in. These are the reports the business wants. So change may come from the business saying, I want a different kind of report. The change may also come from the source systems being changed. I've upgraded my HR database, or I've needed to make a change to the structure of this server to improve performance. It may also come from a technology change. I might decide to change the vendor that I'm using to handle the transformation layer. No matter where the change comes from, the business intelligence environment needs to respond to those changes. So very much like we found with reliability, having architecture, having modeling and metadata management gives us the roadmap to understand wherever the change may come from, we'll be able to trace it, manage it effectively, and use modeling and metadata to drive that change. So our ability to understand the flow of changes allows us to react more quickly to changes, increasing our agility. So now we see how modeling and metadata management give us a better return on investment in our business intelligence systems by improving the quality, integrity, reliability, and agility, thus ensuring that our business intelligence environments give the business what they need and is able to react and respond to our changing business needs. For more information and to download an evaluation copy, please feel free to visit us at sybase.com/powerdesigner.